If you want to remove a SIM card from Motorola Edge 70, what you need to do is you need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we have our SIM tray. We also have the SIM tray hole, of course, so we need to use the eject tool that you can, for example, find inside the box, and we need to put it into this SIM tray hole and use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. So then it looks like this, and we need to use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. Alright, so we have our SIM card, and what you can do is you can try to push the SIM card from the other side. So from here, because we can see that we do have the SIM card over here, so we can just use our fingernails or finger in order to push it from the one side, and you should be able to easily get the SIM card out of the SIM tray. And of course, remember to insert the SIM tray back into the phone and make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.